For the first time since Manipur conflict broke out in May 2023, representatives of THADOU community held talks with civil society representations of MEITEI community today at Hotel Classic Imphal, aimed at fostering peace and reconciliation in the state. The meeting was held between a joint team of about 80 representatives of Kokomi, Amuko, Fox, Arambai Tengol and 16 representatives of THADOU INPI Manipur at around 11 a.m. IST on the occasion of the Covenant of Coexistence. TIM President M. James and Vice President N.K. Lal led the team of THADOU representatives. Though it is still unknown what transpired in the meeting at the time of filing this news, a public release titled Road to Peace, Covenant of Coexistence on Community Understanding, issued by TIM, focuses on the need to clarify misrepresented identities between THADOU and Kuki tribes and emphasize that the two terms may not be used interchangeably, stating that though there are similarities in clothing, attire, and cuisine, these are completely separate identities. Moreover, THADOU communities are one of the indigenous group of Manipur, unlike Kukis, who have foreign origins, who settled in the state just a few decades ago as illegal immigrants. The release states that Kuki is a political identity who continue to cause conflict within the communities by using church politics and religion politics to project THADOU communities in the wrong light and create distrust among MEITEI, MEITEI Pangals, and other indigenous communities. The document further appealed for peaceful resolution by lawful means and unity among all communities.
We also mainly focus about the IDPs in Manipur. Okay, without their resolution, nothing can be done. Meeting of the